Hi guys, my name is Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. The weather's getting warmer and we're excited to start off our pool deck season right. We've got a pool deck going down with our Quartz carpet seamless stone system. Come on back and let's go take a look. For this project, our customer had concerns about the degraded concrete pad that was around their pool deck. So we had to go ahead, address all of their concerns by repairing the concrete deck and then applying the Quartz carpet system. What's incredible about this system is the finish. The customer selected a custom blend of blue and gray stone, and it looks fabulous.
How excited are we to open our pool season this year with Granite State Epoxy and our new Quartz carpet system. I highly recommend Granite State Epoxy.
Once this is fully finished and installed, our customer can enjoy the entire pool deck for the whole season. Give us a call if you'd like to transform your pool deck today.